A very good afternoon to you. Colder air set to return as we approach a new month. Frosty nights for many, turning wet and wintry as we approach the end of the week. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. An awful lot of cloud cover out there. Much of the action to the top and tail end of the country. The overnight rain stalling across the south and the east for much of the afternoon. Disappointingly dull and damp with a bit of a breeze. Elsewhere, well, any brighter sky in short supply with the cloud. Lively showers and longer downpours rolling their way in from the west on a keen westerly breeze. Some of these intense, prolonged, potentially thundery. And with chillier air for Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland. Here, the showers giving a wintry mix across the highest ground. As we head through this evening and tonight, that rain eventually pulls away from the southeast and then clearer skies and dipping temperatures, turning frosty, with temperatures below freezing across parts of Scotland and Northern England. Elsewhere, turning increasingly wet and for some of us wintry, with sleet and snow across the highest ground. A very good evening to you. It's set to turn colder as we approach a new month. Frosty nights for many as we go into March, with wet, wintry conditions in the next 24 hours. Today's rain finally pulls away into the near North Sea to leave it clearer and colder tonight, freezing and frosty as temperatures fall, particularly through parts of Scotland and Northern England, and then further west, a very different scene come the small hours. Windy, wet for some, wintry, strong gusty winds, solid substantial rain, and with the chillier air, a wintry mix of sleet and snow across the highest ground of Wales, the West Country and Northern Ireland. And all of that wet, windy, wintry weather working its way northwards and eastwards through the course of Friday. Ahead of this, clear, cold and frosty initially. And here, brighter skies as we end the week. Elsewhere, lots going on with the rain, sleet and snow. Much of the wintry weather across the highest ground. Elsewhere, blustery downpours with hail and thunder. And for all of us, quite chilly, even more so in those brisk winds.